So you want to grow a superfood. All right, well, let's pick an easy one. We got Endive. So first and foremost, we're going to take it. We're going to get some soil in the cup and get that situated. So Endive is super high in vitamin K, so high in folate, which makes it good for pregnant women and women who want to become pregnant. It treats certain types of anemia, high in manganese. I don't know. I'll put it up there so you can actually understand what I'm trying to say here. It's known to improve brain function. It's also good for kids because it helps in bone development. Way too many seeds out. Just kidding. There's no such thing. It's also super good for blood sugar. So if you've got, diabetes or, going into diabetes or having issues with just your blood sugar in general, Endive is the way to go. And it's also supposed to boost your metabolism. So it's supposed to, help with losing weight. All right. So we're going to open our handy dandy seeds here. Oh, well, those aren't as little as I thought they were going to be. So some of them are white and some of them are black. That is questionable indeed. So what we're going to try to do is just get a couple of them and just drop them. Just a few around here because you're supposed to thin them out to 8 inches once they get so big. I'm hoping to maybe get a little overboard with it and then cut them once they get so big as a microgreen and eat those. I think that would be super cool if it works out that way. And these are a Burpee seed packet, so super dinky. Give them the old power slug. So give them the old love bump. Try to spread them out the best we can. I didn't write the names on any of the cups. Anyway, then we're going to just take a little bit of soil because they're supposed to be planted at 1/4 inch deep. Lightly cover. Into the big tomato bucket. Alrighty. Then we're going to give it the old saran wrap top. And there you go. Endive ready to rock. Superfood ready to go. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so we can see you in the next one.